The validity of 107 voter ballots cast in the Village of Bloomingburg election Tuesday are being challenged in court.
They weren't residents of the village. They haven't been in the village. They sporadically pop in the village.
Candidates with the Rural Hertiage Party filed this lawsuit. They claim more than 100 ballots were cast by people who don't live in the village but are registered to vote there.
They're, I think, almost entirely based upon what residency in one form or another.
Many of those voter ballots being challenged were cast by individuals living in properties owned by Shalom Lamb. Lamb is the developer of the controversial 396-unit Hasidic development community, Chestnut Ridge.
The Board of Elections has not concluded the review of those challenges, so you can't ask a court to review that which has not been done yet.
Last week, properties owned by Lamb were raided by the FBI. The developer has also been accused of voter fraud.
Therefore, if this case falls away, the challenge oath was given, the challenge oath was taken by the voters. They're entitled to vote. Those votes count.
County attorneys say all ballots have been sealed and none of them will be counted until this dispute is resolved.
If your challenge is upheld, then you weren't properly registered, your vote doesn't count. If it's not upheld, then your vote will count.
Despite the delay, Gerardi says he's looking forward to learning the results of the election.
Pins and needles until justice is served.
Attorneys for Shalom Lamb say they plan to file a motion to have this case dismissed sometime in the next 2 weeks. Both parties are due back in court March 31st. In Monticello, Meredith, Zaritheny, Time Warner Cable News.